Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lisseth. For today's video, it's going to be on my skincare routine. I'm going to be using these clips to place my hair back. I will be going in with my Cetephil Gentle Skin Cleansing Cloths. So I use these before I use my facial cleanser and put on any lotion and basically start off my day. I just wipe down my entire face. I didn't even wear makeup yesterday, you guys. Oh, actually, I wore a little bit of powder, my MAC powder. So I'm about done here. Let's see what dirt or excessive stuff came off my face. Oh. Okay, so after I use the Cetephil wipes, I go ahead and wash my face to take off that product and that cleansing foam that it gave off. So I just got back from washing my face and it feels so fresh. Next, I'm going to be going in with this product from Avene. It's a cleansing foam, and I really like this product. I've been using it for the past year and a half, and it's really worked for me. My skin's not too oily or too dry. I'm really right in between. So this cleansing foam really works for me. The Avene cleansing foam. I'm just massaging it onto my face. Sometimes I like to just pat it on and then I spread it out. So I went ahead and applied the Avene cleansing foam all over my face. It starts off really foamy, but then give it not even 2 to 3 minutes and it literally starts sinking into your face. I'm gonna let this set for 3 to 5 minutes and then I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off and continue the rest of my skincare routine. I just got back from washing my face and my face is feeling really refreshed and clean. It also feels really soft. After washing off my face, I'm going to go ahead and apply my lotion. The Avene Tolerance Cream and lotion really hydrates and soothes my face. I really like it. Now that I'm done applying my lotion, I'm going to go ahead and take these clips out of my hair. After I put on my lotion, I went off camera and did my eyebrows. Guys, this is the final look after my skincare routine is done. My face is feeling really fresh and clean. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. Please comment below and let me know what looks you're interested in seeing. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I will see you guys in my next video.